Take a ride in the 2021 GV80. The Genesis GV80 is a stylish luxury SUV with third-row seating for all your hauling needs. The exterior has a distinctive and sophisticated look with an interior that is even more impressive and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback